Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to share with you how can you create the apps design, especially login screen design and the registration screen design. So let's have a look. Nowadays, most of the applications have an authorization process which can be done social media. It can be Facebook, Twitter or Google Plus, or you can do it also by old fashionable way. Like registration process, your email, by your phone number, by your password, everything, etc. like that. But the main part is that when your user feel boring by accessing your applications, but they don't stay with your apps, they don't use your apps, right? So this is the main thing, that you have to give all the facility for the user. Any user when come to your applications, then they can easily access all data. So that's why I am just using here the function. Any people can log in by their social media, or any people can just register in your applications by any kind of social media. So let's have a look. I will show you how can I create this design and how can you implement this design also in your real life. If you want to create this type of design, first of all you have to select all the color and the font and the gradient and the icon and the text. So here you see I have already selected. How can I create this one, my asset or my library? First of all I have to select and then go to the left side and click this icon, the asset panel icon. I just click on the plus icon. Now you see all the color is right now in my asset panel. Now I am going to select all the text. Here is my all text. I just want to select the plus icon. Now you see all the text right now in my asset panel. So now I am going to create my screen. First of all you need to create an artboard, or you can create the new document. If you want to create the new document, just click on the menu and press this new. Just click on your, you can use also your keyboard like Ctrl plus N. Now I am going to create the artboard. Here is the artboard icon. If you click on the artboard icon, then you will see on the right side all the artboard list. This is the default. Now I am going to create the iPhone X. Just click on the iPhone X, already it's appear. Now I am going to create this one. First of all I need to create this shape. So how can I create the shape? Already I have the color, the gradient. This is the ellipse. So first of all you see in your menu bar, this is the ellipse icon. Ellipse icon, and hold the shift key on your keyboard, then it will be circle, otherwise it can be changed. Right, now if you want to apply the color, just press on the color icon. Already you see this color is applied, but we don't need the border. Just uncheck the border. Right, so I need to copy the circle because of we don't want to create again and again the new shape. Already I have the shape, so that's why I need to just copy. Press on your Alt key in your keyboard, just copy and then apply the color. Now you see already it's appear in the design. Right now I need to grab the logo. Here I have the logo, so I just grab my logo in the design. So if you just grab the logo your design, you will see the grid line and the guideline. Now you see the cyan color guideline, it shows that your design is centered. Okay, so now I need to create the text. First of all I have to write the text. Here I am just writing the sign in. So already I have the size, which size is I will apply in this text. This is the main text, that's why its size will be bigger. So already I have the size. This is the Montserrat. Now you see already it's apply in this text. So I need to copy this text again, because of we don't want to write anything again and again. I just copy and copy again. Just press Alt key and hold and then drag, then you will get the copy. And then if you want to select this one, so no need to drag, just click on the triple time, then the text will be selected. Now I am changing the name, triple click and then select the text, I just change the name. So if you want to change the color or the size, so no need to hesitate, just go to your asset panel and then click this one, then you will get the all result. And dot theme will be this color, very simple. Already I just apply this color. Now you see everything is fine. I already applied this one. So here the sign in, so I need to keep there, and here's the margin, I just keep the 40 pixel. So here's my margin, and already I have the text, so I just keep the 8 pixel or 6 pixel here. So I need to grab the icon, just select all and put the right side for supporting. So here I have the icon, I just put there and change the color. Just go there and change the size also. Okay, and I just positioning the text and the icon. Here I want to keep the 15 pixel. Okay, right. And right now I need the line. So how can I create the line? Just click on the line icon and click and drag and the last border. Great. So I need to change the color. Just click on the color palette, its color is changed. So how many distance? It's about 18. I want to keep it would be 14 or 15. Right. So this is okay. So I just click and select everything and just create the group. If you just go to the layer panel, already everything is selected, the avatar, I mean the icon and the text. So I just click on the group, I just rename the group, it's called name. So the same thing, it will be copy but 3 times or 2 times. That's why I just select this one, I just click on the repeat grid. If you just drag in the bottom line, then you will see. Right, I need the 3 part of the line. Great, just ungroup the grid, already it's copy everything. So now I just select the text and I will change the information, email, it bigger, okay, and just triple click, select. Great, I just changed the email. Same thing for the password. Nice. So everything is grouped, so I just want to change this group. Just select and press keyboard Ctrl Shift G, it would be ungroup, and change the icon. Just delete and press this one. I have the standard size for the icon, just click the lock icon and just press the 30. Already I just used the 30 standard. Right, and just go to asset panel and just apply the color. Same thing, just select and ungroup, Ctrl Shift Z, just select and delete and go to your icon, click and drag and lock, just 30. This is our standard size, height is 30. Okay, the color will be applied, the yellow. Right, so everything is fine, already done. This is be the registration, I think. Okay, great. And I need to create the shape, sign in or everything. So how can I do that? Just go to your shape, rectangle shape, just create the shape and align with the center. Already it's center. Just you see the point, just click and all the point will be changed. Just remove the border and just change the color by green. Already its color changed. If you want to change the direction of the gradient, so how can I do that? Select the gradient icon and just here, okay, and then this one will be top. Right, everything is changed here. Great. So if you want to create the another shape, no need to create again and again. Just copy this one, great, and change the color. Press Alt key and then drag both side. Okay, great. If you want to create the another shape, just click, okay, and then same thing, click and drag, right. Just change the color. It would be little more lighter. Just select and then I think this one. Okay, one color is missing, that's why. Okay, no problem. Just click and right click on your shape and then you just send to back. Great, very fine. Just little more bigger for the Facebook. It's okay, fine, leave as it is. Now I need to type on the text there. So how can I do that? Copy this one, okay, bring to font. How can I do that? Just select this one, arrange and send to back. It's already come. Need to white this one now. Okay, it would be 16. Okay, need little bigger. What is the font size there? This is 16 already, 16, and let's change the color, right, and it would be not regular, the medium, the semi bold, and the text will be the center. Select both text and shape and just make the align. Great. Same thing for the Facebook. Press on your keyboard Ctrl Shift third bracket, right, it will become on the font Facebook, and change the font size. It would be the 10, right, and select the shape also. Go to the align, center and middle. Same thing for the Gmail and same thing for the Twitter. Just select both and just change the color. This need to little more smaller. The same thing for this one. For Twitter, just double click and select the text Twitter, select the center, and same thing for the Gmail. Right, no need this one, just delete. Just copy this one, keyboard, hold Alt key and just copy. Great. Already I have made all the icon, all the text and all the shape. These two shape. How can I do that? Already I have. Just click and make the group and hold Alt key and drag. Already I have the copy. Very nice. And now I need the text again. So how can I do that? Just click this one and just hold Alt and drag the copy. Select and write have an account, the question sign, okay, the sign in. The sign in, the text will be more bigger, this one. Everything is fine. Already I have created the registration page. So how can I create the login screen? So let's have a look. I will show you very shortly. Just click on the artboard name and then hold the Alt key and then copy. So no need the part for the registration. Just select and delete. Change the text for sign in. Great. You can change the no need the Twitter, or you can leave it as it is, or you can change the color also. Here is the color, and the text will be white. Here I have the white color, and the Twitter also I can select apply the Twitter color. Same thing. Okay, and the text also will be white, right. So that this text in the bottom text will be the center. Same thing for the again one. Okay, great. Already I have created the two screen, the registration screen and the sign in screen. So hope you enjoy this tutorial, and I think you can create your design by your own way. If you want to download the resource file, then I will keep that resource file in my description. If you want to download this mockup, then you can go this website and you can download this. If you want to export the design, so just select the artboard and go to the menu, and then you will get the export. For export file, you will see the selected or all artboard, but I want to export the selected to artboard. So that's why just press on your keyboard by Ctrl A, then everything is selected. You can export by PNG or SVG, PDF or JPEG. So I just select the JPEG and the source file here. So I just export this one, already is exported. Now you see the exported design here. Already I just create this 2-1 last, you see. Great. So hope you enjoy this tutorial, and please subscribe my channel. If you have any questions, just leave a message. Thank you very much.